Okay, this is totally how I came to for Christmas. So I love greenery. So we have a local store, HARMON'S, that I go. I love eucalyptus. You can see this is all live, so your house is going to smell yummy. So I've already done this one. This one, yes, I overfill mine, and so I just always have a vase here that I try to, you know, just fill it up. I want to show. It smells so good. I need to like do a little bit more with it, and but I just want to show, like, you can just take these and snip off the bottoms, and then you can play with, you know, all of the different ones that you want to, you know, add your greenery. I'm still messing with this, but I thought I'd do a video before it's all done. The eucalyptus really does make it smell so good, and when people come in, they love it. The other thing that I'm working on right now, I'm working on a smaller one for my office, and ooh, look at all those things I gotta wrap over there. So anyways, I've got Hallmark going in the back, and I'm going to fill this up with all the live greenery. This is just a vase that I got from Target. Love Target. They have great vases, $16.99. You would never know. And these are perfect vases if you're looking for something to like put your water in. And so yeah, so just wanted to show you what I'm doing.